you will need 6 large potatoes. Cook and peel them. Then add 1 big teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chives, and then mash them. To make the meatball, you'll need a large bowl and of course ground beef, 300 grams at least. Add salt, teaspoon of it, of course. Teaspoon of pepper. A lot of onions, 1 large one chopped, of course. Paprika. For me, I think I need a little bit more paprika. Then garlic powder, a teaspoon of it. Then from there start mixing the batch and then form them to a meatball. And then put them on a frying pan. Fry them in a medium heat until they are golden brown. They don't have to be cooked all the way through because they will be baked later on. Once the meatballs are cooked, put them aside and let them cool off. Prepare the muffin tins by spraying them with non-stick or with butter. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to make the potato tartlets, you need to place a small amount of mashed potato at the bottom of each cup. Then each cup will receive a piece of meatball, and then top it off with some cheese. Afterwards, cover it up with the remaining of the mashed potato. From there, top it up once more with some cheese. Put it in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. Once the top has become golden brown, the cheese should be melted and would be a little crispy. Take them out of the oven and serve them warm. Bon appetit! I hope you like this potato tartlet recipe. Click on the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.